This little frog is so sweet. Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's make it together. We'll take it nice and slow. I'm using 4-ply cotton blend yarn. It works really nicely for small crochet pieces. Start with 13 chains, nice and easy. That turning chain doesn't count. Single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Then in the next 10 chains, in that last chain, place 3 single crochets. Now, we'll work down the other side. Let's increase in the final stitch. 2 single crochets right there. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 1 25 stitches total. Round R, increase, then 10 single crochets. San increases, 10 single crochets. R increases, 31 stitches. Go ahead and make 10 single crochets. Now 3 increases in a row. You should see a soft curve forming. Another 10 single crochets. An increase in the last 2 stitches. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 3 starts with 1 single crochet, then an increase. Then 10 single crochets. We'll repeat that little section 3 times, 37 stitches. Let's increase in the next stitch. Then 10 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat 3 times total. Go ahead and make 10 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat twice. Just keep it nice and even. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Round 4. Single crochet around -37 stitches. It should look smooth now. Slip stitch and fasten off node chain 1. Make an invisible slip stitch at the back. Pick up the front loop on each side. Weave in all your ends. Eyes, round 1, magic ring, 7 single crochets, -7 stitches. Take your time, I'm right here with you. Pull the ring snug. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Eyes round 2. Increase in every stitch. 14 stitches. 2 single crochets in each stitch. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1 to start the round. Eyes, round 3. Single crochet around -14 stitches. Slip stitch and fasten off. Make an invisible slip stitch. Cheeks, magic ring, 6 single crochet. Make an invisible slip stitch. Take your time, I'm right here.